I learned new things, sir, because of you.
Okay, so thank you.
I have to thanks for that.
Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Welcome to 24th week of NEET Talks. We start on time. So we have Syed Sheikh. So Syed Sheikh's story I have heard from Sujit. Very amazing story. He hails from a very remote village in Andhra Pradesh. He was telling he's the first person to go to college itself. Forget about arts college DFA, to college itself. And it seems a lot of people, relatives, and all asked him, what is the point in going and studying to college and all those things. So he had a lot of household works to do. And it seems he was doing all the works in the early morning so that later he can walk, I think 15 or 16 kilometers every day to school and then to college. It's a fantastic person who has overcome so many difficulties of his life. He went on to do BFA from Andhra University, right? And then MFA in printmaking. So Sujit, Siji and all are his batchmates, I hope, right? Same batch in the same college, yeah. So we are very proud and happy to have a person like Syed with us, a friend from the same friends group. Welcome, Syed. Welcome, everyone else. Stage is over to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Satish Garu. You are giving a great opportunity to talks. I'm very grateful to this thing for giving presentation for everyone. So I will share my works now. So first of all, I have to tell about me, but that is true. My childhood time actually a little bit horrible only, because in my village, that is very remote village for the city. The nearest city is nearly 18 kilometers like that. 18, not 18, 18 kilometers above only. So people, there is no vehicles and anything. If we are going to anywhere, just walking and pathways only. So there is no roads, anything. That kind of remote village too. I came for studies actually. I studied 5th standard in my village only. So in my village that time, schools just fun only. They're going just there is a one teacher is teaching, but so less people joining. For the playing purpose, going for the school for the children, like kids paradise, that thing. I think that's it. Teachers, they're not caring anything, and parents also, they're left for their caring teacher. They think like that only. They're going for the farming, like agriculture, or whatever the works they're doing. That's it. That is that kind of early stages. My starting, because we are 5 members. I am a last one, 3 sisters and 1 brother. So because everyone busy and everyone left. I'm just because of the last last. So I'm lot of so I'm one kind of something suffered always. So everyone, my parents, my mother, my father is always he's scolding me. He's not doing anything like that in childhood time only, like that only. He's a very dumb person. He's telling like that always. So I'm always thinking very sad about that talking everything. So that is okay, but it is a childhood is okay. But most of the time I'm using the charcoal and mango seeds that time. Early studies I'm telling. With mango seeds, if you're doing the, like that time is the calcium carbonate, sunnam, like walls, village mud type of walls, right? Mud type of, and they're using the like palm tree leaves for the kappu, means top. So huts and a lot of huts and just houses, palm houses and everything. That walls, clay walls, and they're applying the nice sunnam, means calcium carbonate, that liquid. So I'm using. I love to do the wherever the coming in the this wall white. I'm using this mango seeds, and otherwise, if I don't have that season, I'm using charcoal with doing the drawings. I'm one of the number one spoil the walls person in child, that one in villages. They, people people are came that everyone in surroundings they scroll me, and they're taking and complaining my mother, and my mother is always slapping, don't do like that, but I'm doing again and again. If they are telling anything, that is thing. Finally, they completely they are watching some figures and everything, and my neighbors and everyone, they enjoying that figures. So that interest is slowly it's happened. My mother also covered always. We can't do anything, just do it whatever yourself only. They're telling like that. That is my first drawings, and with the charcoals and mango seeds. That is my journey. So can I show my slides and telling
Yeah,
the
yeah. Please,
right?
Sayed. You can start your
Yeah,
presentation.
that is
Yes.
that is better.
Yeah.
Hi Sayed,
Hi.
how are you, man?
Yeah, Kumar.
Yeah.
Yeah, how are you? I'm fine. Thank you, Ray.
Good. Okay.
So, this is my so after I childhood stories I told, right? So fifth class, first standard to like three medium only. First class to fifth class I studied in village only. Then regularly 7 kilometers walk near one more village that is called Kotiada. So till seventh I studied there. Seventh to in Jami, one more village. That is in almost the so shortcut. It is like I think 7 to 7 up and down. So almost most of the just walking only. Otherwise, if anyone is there going for the cycle or anything, I'm taking lift and I'm going sometimes. That is the very little bit long road. That is not shortcut actually. Shortcut is the fields only. So that is my early studies actually. Most of my studies is single only. I'm going. My villages is they stop to education for the children because of the previous some experiences is there. Children went for the schools, and there is the lot of trees and everything like forest like that. They're going with carriages and they're playing morning to evening. Their duty that one only. High school means they are doing like that. Even my brother for me is almost 17 years gap actually. He done like that only early schools. That's why my father is he doesn't like, and villagers also not encouraging for the education. So a lot of farming only, farm and whatever that kind of they're interested to, like a lot of cows and buffaloes and fields. Agriculture is the main agriculture, right? They're and children's also interested to that one only. They don't like to study in anywhere. That is my earlier, but that is that one. After I came intermediate degree, then I came to the fine arts college. So slowly, because of the in wherever lonely alone only I studies for all. So because I have lot of connecting with nature, so regularly pathways only I use it for the walking for the school. Sometimes I'm closing the eyes and I'm that there is the paths, right? It's myself only I can go like that. So that kind of things I'm playing always. So that lot of connection with that time, some villages and fields and pathways and everything. So that is that thing, and that is I will tell. So this is the now my art journey I will tell now. This is the 2001 I joined Fine Arts College. So because of there is the Kakinada one youth festival happened. There is I'm doing the sketches. That time I know about the Fine Arts College. Then applied, I got it. First time I went the city. That is my experience in small village and very big city. I can't I never expect anything, but I have seen first time sea and everything. That is a great experience. Sorry. So, and nearest I have to tell one more. There is a Aruku Valley. Nearest, there is a city Escota to almost I think 17 kilometers, and shortcut trains. It's Escota. There is a train actually. And goods rail is and train every day. One time passengers taking train. There is a train. So very, and there is a Turpu Kanumulu that is called one hills. It is lot of hill rows is there in nearest my village. So there is so that's why I inspired a lot of because of the hill area. If you are watching hills only we can see. So whenever I went first time, I'm very curious to do the art and everything, right? I did like this mountains, like mountains paradise, immense mountains I done. And my ideas only I'm implementing without sketching and everything. Also I did a lot of compositions that time. So slowly regularly sketching, and I'm doing a lot of drawings, outdoor sketches and everything. I'm through my stars like Veerameshwar and Sudhakar Reddy sir and Ravindra Reddy sir. It's such a wonderful lectures is there that time, and Das sir and all. So they're giving wonderful suggestions and everything. So slowly I'm developing the drawings and direct live sketches. This is my village. So because I degree time that some developed everything, some houses is built something, and new roads came that time, and cement roads. So that sketch I done a very bigger size sketch. Starting, this is the first drawing actually for the bigger size. That imperial size I done that one. So after that is I kept one work. Then after slowly different mediums, because very curiously I love to do the learning different mediums. So this is the first time whenever I joined in Andhra University, I am thinking about some any part-time job. So that's why I joined in one newspaper boy starting actually. So I don't want to waste the time at least morning. So this is in Larsens Bay Colony. I went after finishing. I'm doing the sketch, and I did that because I love that place. That is very organized and everything. Some different street. So I did the first act patent work actually. This one. So after this is that one. So this one is after this is the one poster I have seen actually. That is some old poster. That is I did the charcoal work. So this starting earlier, because charcoal I done the first time, and this is I did some works only, few works only. I have and this one is one of the small story. I went in one of my senior family when they went their home. They're giving for me TV, means house key, and they're staying in their home for the security, like for they're giving whenever they're going, they're giving this key. So they told me, Sayed, just watch TV, and you're an artist also, you have to see the fashion TV. So I did the fashion TV, and I'm planning to do some sketches and everything that my whenever doing the sketching time, one of the work, remembering this works actually. This one is 2004, it's happened tsunami. Tsunami. I think everyone know that one, in very bad incident for everywhere in coastal area. So that time, this boats and everything coming outside, and most of the Chennai is affected a lot that time. So in Hyderabad, Vizag also some problems has happened, but I have seen in newspaper this one on Flip actually. I feel I want that. I want to do some different dry pastels. I love to do that one. That is, I did this work. This one is the directly live studies in campus, Andhra University surroundings. So regularly through VRMS, sir, my lecturer, he is telling me for different, exploring different way. So he told me use the mud and apply the sheet. So I put the mud with paper. Then I did the watercolors. This one I did some of the very good works. So I have this I put one, but this collection is this kind of collection is in HPCL club in Vizag actually. So then this one is the this space of Buddha, because because I feel lonely always, because my parents doesn't like to go to the colleges, and he told me don't to come, no need to come, just stay wherever you are. You are not so because means he thought always he's telling, my father is always telling, who is studying person, they will not settle anything, they're waste in villages. So they never do anything. They're they thought like that always. He is scrolling like that only. If I went home also. So long days I'm one kind of disturbances always. So so better to someone mentioned there is the village that is called Yoga Village, that Andhra University. For so that is the for free sessions actually. Free sessions for the students. So for that's why I joined one certificate course for the not normal course, but anyway that is the certificate course is better. That's why I joined directly yoga for some months. So I finished also that one. So that time I feel like yoga, always doing the yoga postures only for works. So this kind of series is the I done. So that is the watercolors and the full imperial size. This is the main affected for the like concentration purpose, and some asanas actually. So that I depicted the 5 asanas in there. So that is I put this one. That is sorry, that is not pencil drawing. This is the dry pastel work. So that works. That is the in Andhra University story. This one after finished BFA education. I applied Central University and I joined. And that 2005 I joined. So this is the like some works I displayed at that time. I captured this pic actually some money. So I started the secret of concentration series actually. So because my mind always like pathways only, because I means that time only I travel a lot of many kilometers in childhood to ride. That is, so even if you going to any functions or anything also, almost 20 kilometers with going to with my parents. Otherwise my father, my mother's father is taking me for the some villages for the he's doing the some different works purpose and everything. He's taking me and I'm going with him also. So he's a wonderful traveler at that time. Doesn't know for the bus or anything, any vehicle. His whole life like walking on. So this pathway is the like the praying with the feet is my lecturer Adinarana sir is always telling praying with the feet. Who is the walking is that is the walkers is always best. So he's telling like that. But I connected to him also. But that is the
Who?
that is Mr. Adinarana is Indian history lecturer. That's
Oh.
so he's encouraging for the just walking thing. Mostly he's a traveler actually. His writings also most of the books is a traveling books only. So he's encouraging, and I started this kind of works also in my because my whatever the ideas and everything I'm implementing. But in Central University, I did this works in the Secret of Concentration series means in childhood time what we are thinking, what we are playing, we are completely 100% is in mind. Our mind is that one only. So same that kind of mind is if you are in future if you are thinking like that in concentration. So that is we can achieve anything. Concentration is main essential for any profession or anything, right? So that is my concept actually. So that is so this is the lithography, and previous one also lithography. I done many almost 50 works I done in Central University lithography works. So some works I done, I put this one. A lot of works I did lithography actually, because I enjoying that medium. So this is a this
Aquatine, no?
this is the aquatint work. So slowly, and after fourth year, for fourth semester, so my works is changing because some
Second semester.
this is
Fourth semester you are out, no? Second semester, right?
this is
Fourth semester.
no, this is the third or fourth semester. I'm not. I think this is a second not second semester, third semester. I think this one I did this one.
Okay.
So I'm not remembered exactly, but yes, this is the third or fourth semester, 2006, right? That is. So this one I changed that one. So a lot of like winding paradoxes in my mind is like I'm traveling like that fully. I feel like that in my dreams always. So I depicted this kind of works. So this is the because I'm history and everything I'm studying, and that previous artists and Michelangelo's and all kind of, because in history I don't know. I'm not that much because I'm very poor that time in English, so I'm very scared to understanding. And because of the it's English very difficult that time. That time only I'm focusing to understanding books, subjects and everything. So whenever the watching, I'm getting some ideas actually. So this is the modern Adam and Eve, because Adam and Eve giving to that Satan giving to the cell phone. That is this thing is that one actually. So mobile phone is giving now that changes it's happened. That's what I'm thinking actually. So both are woman and man. That's depicted. This is the final semester work. So after 2007, after finishing my education, so I have this one only. This one only I missed some works. Now after coming out again, so again I feel like lonely only. Again I started to traveling. I went in Baroda, then because I want to know about the more fine arts and that colleges and works and everything for the final their semester, then their final exhibition. After finishing MFA, I went there and I watching, and slowly I went travel and some of the South India and North Indian some places. So then I came back and I joined one animation pre-production actually. So that time Sujit knows very well, and both are in the time roommates. He is busy with works always, and I'm busy with my job, pre-production actually. So that time I'm working. So that time because I'm also started because whenever I came, I remember whenever I came, he's finished always some works. That is, I feel so happy. I came back from my job and he's finishing and he's going to just outside for the some roaming and roaming. So I'm so happy to see it regularly. So he, that is, but accordingly I'm also just doing the works and everything. So this is the like war series that is after finishing long days, but some of the works is the missed actually. But anyway, 2009 I'm telling because I'm working and doing some of this kind of series. The monochrome because monochrome is the very I love monochrome because of tonal variation we can create very well and a single color. So that's why even in fine arts BFA time also I did in monochrome only. That time Tsunami Relief Fund time also I did the monochrome and we sold many works for the funding. So easily calendars we made and it's very easy and attractive actually.
But Syed, when you try to sell your works to people, like people have an impression that painting means it should be very colorful if you're buying, giving so much money. So how do your viewers see this monochrome works?
Yeah, that is true actually. That is everyone is love colors only, but my one is the black works actually. And after in more works in after finishing MFA, I done the more works in this monochromatic actually. But I don't know. Everyone is telling why you are doing like this. But whenever the exhibition, right? So all are like colorfully. My one is the like monochrome. People who is coming, they're first taking my work only.
Okay.
Moving actually, I don't know. That is that impact. I don't know, but even I don't know actually because I know only in fine arts time also earlier in fine arts BFA time also sketching time also because I need it for working purpose. I need money, right? I kept in 4 or 5 works already prepared before only some at least 4 or 5 works I kept. I never thinking about the I for the submission saris maybe scrolling. I never think about that. Just doing when for the sketching I kept the work. Who is asking? So I'm giving only. If he's just I don't know. That is the like because that my needy they're enjoying. Even sketchbook time sketching also time. If they asking anyone, I'm giving only. Starting I'm giving free. Then it's not good. This is not fair. I'm thinking it's my efforts and giving like that. It's bad. I kept rate. That is I think that is very useful. I think small marketing that time. And one of the still I remembered. I don't know who is, but one of the work is the Jalantargami. That is called in English. Marine. There is a marine previous war. It's happened that time. That marine. Kumar Jalantargami name atru.
Kumar.
He is not there. Okay.
Submarine. Huh? Submarine, no?
Yeah, submarine. Sorry, submarine. I have very good. 2 days I used to do the submarine sketch, and I done wonderful work. Suddenly, I think first one first work I sold. I think maybe that is a very great feel actually because first time actually there is the in submarine previous one war in Pakistan and India war. Like Ghazi, that is Ghazi. One film also came in Telugu for that one. That time one Jalantargami Indian fighter actually. It's that some damaged one they kept in Vizag Beach Road. That time I done that work. Someone came and doing time only. He first day I did, second day I did, and the third day he came and he kept the some money and he took that work. He is like begging like that only. So I enjoyed that one. I feel very good. Then I changed actually. That is my first experience actually. But anyway, that is a fast. That is a
Artist
fast.
in one point.
Fast
Most
story.
sellable artist in one point. Syed Sheikh.
So that's why that time I never fear, because previous I'm one kind of fear. After I changed actually, so it is possibility we can get it anything. If you're, and one more thing, honestly, if you're doing anything, honesty makes man perfect. That is I'm believing that time. Just doing and just that is I'm doing actually anyway. That is my experience, and Jalantargami. That is a changed my mindset that time, and I used to do the portraits. In there is the uh, there is one place actually in Beach Road only. That is the Matsidarsini. That is a place. I regularly Saturday Sundays I'm going and doing the portrait works. That time, that is my past experiences. This is the patriotism, because like freedom, happiness, because I done because of the some wars and everything, some Iran and Iraq, something, some different wars I have seen, and I read about some history and everything, and Vietnam stories, this kind of Second War, World War, that kind of whenever the searching sometime in library, I have seen some images actually. This is nothing. This is a completely in my visualization only in the all works. But that is my mind is always thinking like that. So I done
Syed,
some series actually.
Syed, when we're talking, you can just move
Yeah,
the
yeah.
slide. So
That's
that
what
Yeah,
I'm,
that is.
yeah, that's what I'm trying.
This one actually, that is that series actually. Then, because always in my mind, like pathways means that whatever the because my travelings are always remembering, so easy to do that perspectives. I'm very quickly doing, because I know different perspective. That's why a lot of works like traditional artists like that I'm doing. If I'm putting the colors, if I'm started the paintings, like at least 10-20 works that day finished only. That is like this kind of work, that season, that is. So this is the ritual themes in I think everyone villages it's happen in like Amavaru called in Telugu. uh, there is the some tree near, they put the some dolls, wooden dolls, and they're praying early mornings, and sometimes in some particularly times they're going, and even my family also like that only, and they're doing. So that is the earlier things, and I have seen in, actually I have seen in here only in Hyderabad. So some people early morning for went for the walking. That time I have seen. I feel like I want to do that sketch in near Masjid Banda, in wherever the one small one village that I'm right now, not village, that one. So Nocturnal Cities 2009, this one. Because nighttime nightscapes is the, I'm always attracted actually. That is the lightings and everything. This is the Roll of Thunder. I put that one because some exploring some different technical thing purpose. I'm doing more and more regular practicing these things. This is the ritual hill means this one also we know, but some hills is the feel like there is the Sri Rama feet is there, and this some they feel like that there is the Hanuman landed feet. So same thing is the in my grandfather near one hill is there. For that purpose we are climbing that one top actually in childhood time. So right now it's imagine, I can't imagine how can I went in that much top. These days no one going actually. That time we went 3 or 4 people. We put competition, we went that time. So I remember that things I did this for some particular time. These regular works is the less taken part. This is the A3 size works I had done many. This is the in natural because floods has happened at in 2010 time. 9 or 10 time is the in Andhra actually. Andhra and everywhere, some areas actually. I saw that one, this kind of a farm actually. That is I did for that flood sketch, and I did this monochrome work. This previous work, this like explosion work, and this is the night light.
So slow. And now, Sayed, now you went very fast. 3, 4 work. That is one work, 1 minute at least. If you can
Okay.
give.
This is the landscapes. I put some lesser colors actually, and black means some monochrome with I'm putting some more like light yellow green and some violet tint I added, and I did some works this kind of actually. So that time, so in full imperial size I had done almost 10 or 15 works, same this one only. So people like this one, so that some works is movement is going that time. But actually that time, so I'm traveling different places. So I was actually 2010. I was in Calcutta. So almost 2 years. I got a one residency, inviting one. Appal Raju is there is a one commissioner, and I taught actually for their children. He's inviting for the working in their residence, their home actually. For they have the space, and I was in 2 years, and I went in many places that time in Shantiniketan, and there too like different and remaining many places there too, like Baroda and Delhi, and frequently I'm going for the galleries. That time I was in I was in not only Calcutta, most of the time for the galleries and traveling Santiniketan and different places, and like Konark and not Puri Jagannath Temple and Chili Saras and Orissa, that is. And yeah, there is a Konark also, there is I think. So one place is Surya Devalayam, one is there actually. That is
Konark only.
Konark only. That is, yeah. That is, I went and I have seen sculptures and everything. And there is a landscapes, mainly I attracted landscapes. I'm doing many works, sketches and everything, that, coming and doing this series actually. So
Sayed, there's a request to show the previous works.
This one I done many works.
Previous.
The previous, yeah. Is this one a projecta? Is it this one you're asking? Or
This
that
is
boy?
yeah. Actually, this photograph, actually, still I don't have camera that time.
No, Sayed, just that work, keep it. That work, just
this
keep
one.
Yeah.
This is the collection for Sujit. This is the, that curator, US one. Fairleigh Dickinson University, one professor, Jacqueline Lima, collected this work actually.
Okay.
So that time she came my studio, and she came for one international. This is the after 2011 actually. I will tell you that one. I came again Hyderabad, and I worked in State Art Gallery as a in charge, like gallery assistant. I'm doing the many inviting the artists and doing the shows and everything, and international shows also it's happened with the different curators. That time some many international artists and some curators I met. They love to see my work, and they came my studio, and they saw that my works and everything. And particularly Jacqueline Lema, she attracted my Pathway series and this nocturnal series that works. She invited for the 6 months residency in that Fairleigh Dickinson University, and after I got I didn't get the visas actually. 3 times I tried, 3 times rejected actually. So finally they invited for the show for my works. works for the solo. There is the gallery, fine art gallery, fine art gallery, college fine art gallery. They done my first solo. That is in not now. I will tell you that one when is it happen.
Yeah, now you can move on. Yeah.
I think this one is finished like this, right? This one, this particularly because I traveled previous in Ooty and Ooty I went, and I went in Sujit. I think Sujit, when you married,
2011.
2011, right? Yeah. I think previous, 11. 2010, we nearly Coimbatore and Palakkad, and in traveling time and previous Ooty also went. And because of that I saw that nature actually. There is a wonderful mountains, nighttime homes and everything. And I traveled Sikkim also. Such a beautiful nightscapes actually. I'm not thinking about the dayscapes. Nightscapes I'm enjoying. So that lightings and everything attracted me, too much attracted. This particularly I got some feel in this work. That lightings I attract whenever the practicing my sketches through paintings. Then that flavor I connected actually. Some minimalistic colors I used, a little bit light red and like monochrome black actually. So with that one I used and I did almost this monochrome, this particularly nocturnal landscape I done. I don't know how many works I done, because some expats association also, some of the people connected, and frequently shows is I'm exhibiting. So still not means now I stopped actually, but this series, but wherever the put, it's very good uh, very good
Response.
good exposure, wonderful exposure I got it. So I continued this works long days, this one, and slowly I change. So, and this one I have to tell about this work actually. This one also a lot of because of my entirely, because in Hyderabad is different, right? Compared to your compared to different artists actually. So my things is a different compared to I can't say like that, but some different way of the people. Maybe it's connected. A lot of people is experts only in out of country who is working here, and he is traveling for the galleries and everything. They connected, and I was also working in gallery that time previous. So a lot of slowly connecting with people actually, not connecting with galleries, because I never went for the galleries anywhere previous. I traveled galleries and I watching regularly in Calcutta, in like Same Art Gallery and Bospasia, and Bhaginathan works always watching in Bospasia. Bhavana Kakkar is always she's putting her works. I feel always good, because there is only particularly that person works I'm always regularly watching in Bospasia. There is the some more galleries also, like Nehru Nehru Center also there. Nehru Center. There is the and one Kutir. That is Weaver Studio, and something Chitrakoot Art Gallery. That is a very old gallery, small gallery, but very old artists like Nandalal Bose and their sketches. And frequently I'm watching even Rabindranath Tagore some work sketches, and these people, everyone, they're exhibiting because they have very old gallery, old artist works they have, sketches, everything, and the and Same Art Gallery more contemporary works and everything frequently watching. and any at that time. And I did also in Palladian Lounge and one more gallery. Palladian Lounge, my show it's happened, and Ahuza Museum. There is also my works, and they bought also some that time. They collected some of my works also. So that is the thing. After I came back to Hyderabad, sorry, back. This one same. That is this is the way I'm showing. You know, previous only I'm telling this one 2008 work only sketch actually. But after 2012, I had done this works is again bigger size. I will show you one more work actually. This is work actually. This one. Oh, sorry. This one is the because of my dream actually frequently coming in dream like that winding like through pathways in already in MFA final year also done, but still I'm getting something actually. So that old very previous earlier stage of the people, and there is a donkey and chakali, you know, they're going to for the cloths washer that time very earlier, and the tales and everything they are telling, that's kind of stories I'm getting. And is like traveling the horses and people playing is like Telugu in Kommadasriya means they're putting the like one branch, and they're making a lot of fun in villages, that kind of people. And there some different people I'm put, and I'm trying. I did everything. This farm also I did something I got in my brain like that. I have to do like that and everything. So I depicted to whatever the ideas I'm planning to depict at this particular work. Same form I have seen in whenever I went for the one show in Bhutan. There is one workshop also done. That time I have seen this kind of form someone done in there. I'm really in. There is a vast Bhutan actually. That is I have seen, feeling great actually. That kind of similar thing. This is actually. Then after 2014 to 2020, I'm showing some of my work. So this is my previous I done a lot of group shows and in Hyderabad only. But 2013 to I'm exploring my works to different places. So 2013, this one 2013 show. This is the my solo show done in US because of the whenever one of the US one of the curator and a professor in one university, Fairleigh Dickinson University only. She mentioned, Syed, shall you give for the solo show for your work? Previous I tried to residencies, I didn't get it. I told you, right? Same. So I sent the works finally. They done such a wonderful show. After the show, I done almost nearly 10, not only almost 16 shows, I think, in different countries. I done group shows, not solo shows actually, and China, and even even she, because she has some collections. She done almost, I think, for 5 or 6 shows in US. She kept actually. I don't know how many.
Move slides.
And but group shows is the one love also.
Syed, go a little fast, you know. Just move the slide, you know. Otherwise you don't get the time. Last, you know, like then. Yeah.
That is that shows it's done. That is. So after some of the travelers and everything, they are invited for the shows, and even connecting to. In some shows time they invited me, and I done some shows. This is the 2013 only, this one, same that year only, 2013. Vizag, it's happened one workshop, and Andhra Pradesh tourism department conducted. one of my there is a lecturer and he's so very encouraging sculptor Ravishankar Patnaik sir is inviting for this one. He's curating that time. He's making that show from Andhra Pradesh tourism. So they done this work actually. This is actually Totlakonda is one of the Buddhist place actually. So that construction, that would be a little bit bigger farm. I took that farm, that some elements actually. So I made this. There is a Buddha in top actually. This space of Buddha. Some work. Sorry. Again, I started 2014. Again, I started with little bit changes I have done this one. So again, I started series the nocturnal based works. This watercolors. This after this one is the I'm little bit busy. Not 14, I think 15. I joined in 15. Yeah, this one is the lot of works is the A3 size only because I travel a lot. This 2014 particular time, I went different places like Bhutan and Sri Lanka. I traveled actually some shows and some sketching and Nepal also I went. So a lot of because I don't have time to do the works and everything. Smaller size only. Some A3 size works I done many works that time. So that one after 2015 I joined in Telangana prisons for their DZ and Prashant Lahoti Kalakriti Gallery. They appointed as a teaching for the prisoners in Telangana, both prisons in Chanchalagooda and Cherlapalli. I taught and I curated their shows that time. So this is the different achievement actually because I have seen a lot of emotions from a jail inmates. I heard their stories and everything. So how much starting I'm very afraid about the people. Slowly their nature is because they're some instant thing, right? They've done faults and everything. They suffered a lot, and slowly whenever the starting time they didn't get it anything for the sketches and everything. Slowly.
Yes, Syed, so how many people like you would have trained? Like how many prisoners you would have trained? Approximately like this.
How many people they learned you telling?
From you?
From me almost I think 300 people they learned, and some people
300 prisoners learned art from you.
Yeah, that's why they done 16 shows they done actually. This is the first first show. It's happened in Vizag. State Art Gallery in Hyderabad actually.
So they were artists, like they had some artistic talent, or because of
some people are very talented. My God, their sketching is very good. Starting I same basics only, objective drawings I learned actually within I think within 4 or 5 months they done a lot of pencil drawings and everything. First show actually, that one of the buyer actually she bought actually that one, Rebecca. So their works actually, it is starting show only a very good, very successful show. That is because of for chief guest is the Home Minister came that time. So wonderful show, but because that encouragement, right? It is because they have seen the newspapers, almost all news in total all newspaper it came. They have seen their works. They're enjoying a lot. So they're doing that one only. Prisoners also they're encouraging me. They left almost that group. They left for the art only. They filled with all prisons with art. Now Telangana prisons completely filled with art only, in total walls and everything. If you went, there's such a beautiful, they're very beautiful prisons that in Chandragooda and Cherlapalli. So I'm so happy to see their works and their not only one, some prisoners, they're traveling to one more prison to one more prison. They're filling that complete walls. So that is but one thing, they're crying. They came and crying, sir. We are enjoying. We are so happy, sir. We like one kind of spirituality getting actually. Spiritual way we are. That is true actually, because very rough people in start whenever they join. Slowly, their mindset changing. They're very calm. They're very calm going and doing and dedication. That dedication levels, and I have seen that they're discussing about their life stories. They're planning to put their story expression, I'm always telling actually, do it your stories actually. But suddenly they're getting the bail, and some people bail, otherwise some people like Mahaparivartana, some programs that time they're leaving, some it's happened. Some who is the means lifers and everything, they're done amazing work actually. In still I'm doing actually right now, lockdown, it's happened that one. This kind of shows it's happened. Just I put some posters actually. So that is a very great experience. I learned from them anything actually. Life is life, how much valuable we can we can learn about them actually. That is, so how much painful stories, how much so that's why if I'm feel anything, I'm suddenly going their stories. Otherwise I'm reconnect to back very fastly. So that is that is, and that is anyway, that is, my story is also different. That's why I love to do the each and every present, how much happiness I'm thinking, that's it. Just how much honesty going, how much work, how much what is our duty, what is today duty, that's what I'm thinking always. That is that is he's a Venkatesan sir, he's encouraging me a lot. He's that time jailer, he's sir actually, and at that time DG is the wonderful DG, Mani Kumar Singh. He's wonderful. He and Prashant Lahoti, they done it. They're making these things actually. I'm so happy. Starting little bit afraid, but finally I enjoyed that one. Sorry, it said sorry. So after 2000, because
one work shifted, Syed. The previous work you have.
That one I think finished.
This.
So this one is the, because of the when in what is the Central University beside villages previous in 2000, when I joined 2005, different surroundings in Andhra University, Central University surroundings. But after 2017, so there is no empty space. My God, it's completely wherever we see, completely constructions only. It's completely changed. Very big buildings. Where is the constructions only? So big projects. If you went in like IKEA, that side is very huge constructions. So completely changed. Like that is like Malaysia, New York, like that only, that areas. If you went in a high-tech city, and Central University surroundings, completely like that only now. So that is a completely like concrete jungle, that one. That's why then some of this kind of series, particularly this kind of series, I started in 2017. So I attacked this kind of series. I did some shows and everything. So same through that one only, I did some more works. This is the Kalakriti collection one. This is in I did the one wood block actually. That is some wood block. This urban culture. this like same construction series when I'm doing this thing. This monochrome and perspective views. This is a regular work. This is like I'm like traditional work. Whenever I'm little bit tired and everything, I'm suddenly came in my home and taking the watercolors. I'm doing like this. This is the my stress reliever. This kind of works. So very quickly and doing many things. These things. Right. So this kind of actually. So in lockdown before. I did this is the Lalita Kala Academy one solo. So that time this kind of series I done some industrializations things and some means I little bit I added the colors like I attacked it with some little bit bright vibrant colors I used and I kept simple format and some monochromatic and some additional colors I used like yellow and like primary colors I used. But it's just this primary color tint I used accordingly with some monochrome tint in blacks actually. So this almost I done almost 100 works. I kept in Lalita Kala Academy for the one Mela time. That is the 2020 March. No, March not April 4th I did. So after this is the lockdown series actually. In home I did like.
Syed, there is a question to you from Sabida. So she's asking like mostly you are drawing night pictures, right? So what are the references? Is it pure memory or you have some references?
I never watch any history things in anything. Completely no references anything. I never used actually. Just actually instinct things actually that is. So if I feel something that day I have seen anything, just automatically just maybe if I'm getting any ideas and everything, I'm started actually. But whenever they started the work, I did not only one actually. I did that day only like 10 works. So because I'm little bit busy with social services, and sometimes not every time. So that is. But most of the time I'm mostly just limited colors, not references anything. You can understand that one. So but actually why I can get it this kind of things different means because of the traveling only. Because almost all over India I travel, all places I travel because because I'm that much passion about everything. And one time is like almost 2 months. The traveling time also, my one is the different. If I'm traveling time, even in trains also, I'm doing the sketches, and I'm asking anything. It just like I started free sketches and everything. After I'm charging also, so it's easy for me anywhere. If in even Calcutta, in Delhi, I went earlier in 2000 starting time. I lost everything. I don't have anything. So there is the Indira Gandhi Park or something is there. I think something is going in Craft Mela or something. I went with sketch and huge money I got it, and a lot of things I bought and I came back. And that kind of things is in my stories a lot actually. So because the traveling, I travel like that only. So this traveling because when we are traveling, because lot of in our minds we can always capturing some things, some different kind of things. So that is, and if you are watching in like modern something and modernization and this kind of things, and if you are watching any maybe inspiration, some movies or anything, maybe that sometimes also maybe. I think in lockdown period, I have seen some English films and everything. So maybe that is some big buildings and everything, some English films time. Maybe that is maybe inspiration, that kind of things. So that is.
Kumaraswamy is asking, who is your inspiration?
my inspiration. So my inspiration is the many people's inspirations always, because I'm learning from the people only. Then my childhood time to different inspirations, my starting inspirations. I feel I want to become a teacher like that. I feel in earlier stage, and who is encouraging that time. I feel following that people only. So then intermediate like that only. Even in art field also, in after fine arts also, and I'm like teachers and SARS inspiration. After Central University, great inspirations, everyone like Siji, Sujit, and Sujit is the more because both are staying and studying and everything. That is, and so I learned from all, sir. That is that's why I love everyone, and particularly I have some people like. Because in studies time, universities, because for me everything new. I feel like that wherever I went, I'm very curiously learning everything. So for the that is my nature actually. But doing the something different, everything. So that is, so every time changing actually, inspirational things. And CG, I learned from CG also. CG and the patience level, and she's calm and doing and everything that time. And my classmates and each and everyone.
Yes, I want to ask one thing. Like, no females figures here in any of your things.
Yeah, I have to tell that story. Actually, I have the works actually. I have the works many actually.
And you are bachelor also. Is it some Brahmachari Varada or something like that?
No, that is that is a good question actually. Wherever the study, suppose in Andhra University, whenever they're doing I have the works actually. That some of the people, some Muslim, because I am not religious, some Muslim people came and they are changing my mindset. I always I'm always feel headache always. They came and they are telling you are going to hell only. You don't have any heaven. You are already decided that they're telling like that. They are making any of the human figures. That is a very dangerous, because I'm very sensitive that if anyone is telling, I feel true only. That is that kind of nature also I have there. How much strong, how much weak also. So some areas I feel like that sometimes it's very bad. But same in Central University, same thing it's happened. They came, some of the departments, some Hindi Urdu department, some of the people came and they're telling like that. So, but I have works actually. But still I'm doing actually in portraits and everything. I've done many. If I have the one page, get your portrait in a day. That is I've done many works. And anything art in Hyderabad is the one of my group. That is the 5,000 people here in Telugu states. That is I'm maintaining, but I'm sharing in works and everything, that groups only. That is the different actually. So who is ordering? Who is order the works and everything? I'm making and I'm doing in color and paintings and whatever acrylics or oil in pencil work or everything. You can see in there. But I have the works actually, but the landscapes and like that. But some I have a good collections. Also, some of the people has.
Okay.
And
this is the last work or the more works?
That is
the last work or?
No. Yeah, almost final. It is moving actually.
Yeah, we have time. No problem. Sure.
This is lockdown recent period actually. This one. This is a last lockdown time. This kind of some monochromatic things, everything I used. But I went in Sri Lanka because I remembering Nuralia place actually. I think anyone went Sri Lanka. There is the Nuralia is such a beautiful valleys actually, and the coffee plantations and everything, and but that kind of things I depicting some of my works actually. So that hill areas and everything I love, always love that one. So that coffee plantations, and there these days what happened, you know, in even hill areas also there is a, if you went in Sikkim, Gangtok, see that one, and Darjeeling, my God, the complete hill areas is filled with homes, because maybe in future there's the land filling with people only. Anyway, that is the, in last 10 years, last 20 years, I have seen a lot of change in hill areas. That completely small surround, they're occupying hills. In even Vizag also, that is what is Kailasgiri. Kailasgiri is the starting, whenever I have seen this hill, I can see. After they're completely occupying the people, and they are constructed the homes and everything. So
I think Unnikrishnan wants to ask something, no? Unnikrishnan?
No.
പിന്നെ കൈ ഇങ്ങനെ ഉയർന്നു കിടക്കുന്നത്.
This is Shili. This one is just just regular works. This one, this is a recent. This one I did in. This is a recent work actually. It's in this one only. This monochrome work. This is imperial size. I removed the works actually, maybe in not what is not connected to my things and everything. I deleted actually. I didn't kept any colorful works and everything, but most of the things I'm like just works. This one, and because because of the starting, I'm very confusion after came in fine arts, so I don't have where, how to approach to gallery. So and I'm seriously, I don't know how to, what is the my works is it's moving or not, or I connected to contemporary galleries, or I'm thinking like that. But whenever the I joined for that one only, I joined for the, I traveled and I went in all many galleries, and friends, many shows happened, I went their shows, and then I went to many galleries and watching. Then I joined galleries for the working and learning, and I'm started the exhibitions, and I'm myself only slowly exploring like that. Right now I almost in all over the world, I done almost nearly 120 shows I done right now, in group shows. I never believe actually sometimes. So the whatever, who is asking the solos and everything, who is asking for the group shows, I'm sending wherever. So but keep sending the works, whatever. And one of the thing is the better, I'm encouraging, because I have some experience with working galleries and some organizations and everything. So I know connected with I know very good people and everything. I worked with some like Suvita's one rehabilitation centers and the jail inmates, these things, and curating time. Generally connected actually. In galleries also I connected many people. I have good rap with people. So I'm easy. Many friends and everyone is asking, why can't you doing the shows? Then I started 2014 one international show. I invited 10 international people, and I did the like art atmosphere one. That is a wonderful success. It's happened actually. Then I started the curating way. Almost now, right now, I done almost 25 curating shows in Hyderabad, and mostly Hyderabad, Bangalore, and some out of countries like Canada and US. So that is my story, sir.
So, this is our last one. This is last work.
This is the recent. This is a recent one.
Yeah, and I'm telling, are there more slides now after this?
No, I didn't. I don't.
That is fine, no problem. So I just close the presentation. Now we'll open for questions. Beautiful signature.
Yeah.
Open to questions.
Thank you so much for patience.
Hey, questions, you can't leave just like that. Questions are only starting. Sabine and all are just warming up to ask questions. Sabine will ask one question, then CG will ask from the other room another question. That's how they
because
operate.
it's difficult to ask question to a friend, like because we know like the process and you act like a stranger or whatever. So it's a little difficult, yeah. Otherwise, yeah. So it's I know you. I know him since long time, like because I was doing painting and he was in printmaking. And when
actually I'm printmaking works I kept very less because of the I corrupted my recently my hard disk actually, but don't have
so
time
that since that I know his work and his practice. So
but a lot of
he's a very hardworking person in that whole department. Is very and printmaking is a very laborious act, so he always work the whole time, and very small space we had that time in University of Hyderabad. Now it's a little bigger, so he works. So but I wanted to know, so when you leave from your home to art or when did you really felt that like you wanted to be an artist, or you wanted to take this as a path?
Actually, particularly when I thinking like that, actually, actually, in starting because of the one kind of depression mood, actually. So in the earlier time, that I'm actually used to do the painting or something. Naturally, I'm doing that one. But I'm not thinking about that one. But actually, high schools and colleges I went that time. Wherever I studied, everywhere is the like even science fairs, not science fairs, and any like Janbhoomi things. It's happened in art means competitions and everything. So I got always the first prizes only. If I'm not getting, I feel so sad that time. So like that, colleges when I came, I got very good reputation that time, and they're encouraging a lot. People encouraging a lot, and my principals and everyone. So suddenly I went in one youth festival. So I went many times in youth festivals. In starting earlier festivals, great movement actually. In Kakinada, I went. That time I don't know about the fine arts college actually. So there is the myself I went. My college principal asked, but because of only me only for this kind of activities interested. No one is there. So myself I went that time in Kakinada. So there is the directly I went and directly I told this matter. He gave me, he's so happy to give to identity card and everything, same like participants like that. Everything is I got it. So I have very good freedom, and I used to do the many sketches that time. So some fine arts people and some of the people blindly I'm doing the sketches. They mentioned this particular thing. What are you doing? Like now I joined in studying BSc like that. Why you are doing? You have the wonderful sketching, wonderful. Already you are doing many things. Just join the fine arts. Then I applied and I applied. Then I am so happy to enter the fine arts college. So that is the first thing actually. That time I decided actually. So I want be with. I want to be with an fine arts way in a creative field. That's what I'm thinking. But Andhra University, it's really wonderful lecturers, each and everyone supporting a lot. And starting time only, Ravindra Reddy sir, one of great sculptor, everyone know, G. Ravindra Reddy. He went, I did the one small sculpture, I forgot I put actually. That sculpture I made actually for that sculpture, small relief work. I forgot actually that a sculpture I'm like I did like 3-point perspective view. So I'm not getting actually. That is the second year I couldn't get it actually. I do how to exploring my view. I didn't get it. He came and we are struggling right first. Just leave it work and go to the Kailasgiri is the one of the big hill in Hyderabad, very nearest hill and beautiful hill, and everyone there is a nice tourist place actually. Sir mentioned go to the Kailasgiri and 10 days make the sketching. That one he told. So starting in earlier only, I think not first year only that one. I joined new that time. So I very innocently I'm asking, sir, if I went the sketching, all are here, why you are sending me? And who is putting the attendance? Sir told me, you are thinking about the attendance. I will give the 10 days attendance. Don't come here. He told like that. So I went in Kailasgiri regularly, and I completely stayed there only like that. Early morning going and staying and doing the sketching. So that because of the long days, right? And most of the curiosity is there for the doing how to do that one. I'm doing and sketching, and I'm doing in that 3-point perspective. That's why my works is a lot of works, and even I done with many companies for the 3-point perspective, like posters actually. It's came in a lot of ads actually, but I didn't put actually. That is commercial things, right? So some like Lanco Hills and some previous, but some third parties also came for me still the particular 3-point perspective views, and some directors for the some layouts purpose also they're coming. That is so that because of the 3-point perspective, because of the earlier practices, that that's why most of the things after that is in my mind always like I'm in top only. So if I'm started the work, my vision is like that only. It is I feel like that. So that after finally came and I done that work, he is satisfied. So I'm in the top, and that view that we can see that one. That is the small lower relief work actually, not round relief, not round relief work, lower relief work actually. That feel actually that is the great inspiration actually. That is
Great. Okay. Any other questions? Anyone else?
actually that is the inspiration for me, for the first inspiration for the exploring my one kind of visionary thinking. It came that one starting.
Okay.
Super.
Mm.
Others? Anyone else want to ask anything?
Hi, Syed. It's me, Sabin.
Hi Sabin, tell me.
Yeah, nice to see your works, man.
Yeah, thank you. But I never I'm artistry and everything. I'm very poor actually. If you are so if you are asking any one compared to anything connecting with anything also, because I never
No.
He's taking
No, man.
Syed is taking anticipatory bail. Okay, let us not allow
because
it.
seriously I'm thinking still why
Anticipatory wail.
No, Syed. You're
no
saying.
actually why
No, I just
I'm always thinking why I have to see in past history.
Yeah, but
So I'm
Syed,
thinking about the present. I'm thinking
Syed,
present.
Sabin has not asked this question yet.
Yeah, sorry. Just I'm telling
Let him,
actually.
yeah, let him ask question.
Okay.
No, Syed. I just,
No.
I just felt something in your work, like, when you are treating your sky in all your artworks, you are treating your sky. I can see some kind of mystic light is coming from behind.
Okay.
It's like whenever you say it's a nightscape or any day or whatever time you're mentioning, but I can see some separate mystic light almost all over your work, like behind. Sometimes it might you are treating the sky like that. Otherwise, do you have any intention to do like
So most of the
particularly
sky
do that?
you're telling same you're telling or what?
No.
Some light.
Light, almost all in your
Some-
paint. Like when you're washing the sky, I can see some light.
Okay.
Light is still there in your artwork.
Because intentionally I'm put actually that one actually, because the earlier works I didn't put actually. I have to show, otherwise that is I didn't put that is I done in one first solo in Kalakriti one show that time completely black actually. So there is the, we can see smaller small that is the, we can see some areas only. But what happened, you know, people, they love my work, but I want moving actually. Who is appreciating what will I do? That is, it is moving, then I'm happy, right? So some people came and asking, why, Sayed, why you are making this much dark? Why can't you pull the making the black and tell me that one? They're telling like that. So that's why then I realized actually, no, this one is the not good actually. At least we have to keep it lights. See, suppose this is, but actually a very good connection, good collectors is there actually. They are connected. This one you can see, right? But
No,
there
no,
is a pathways. This is the one kind of.
if they ask you to
Okay,
change
okay.
the color, then you'll do what?
Can I back actually?
Yeah,
Okay.
Syed, I just asked because you know I'm getting some kind of mood in your paintings. Like, you know, it's almost all your picture frame is like, you know, as a kind of backyard, and I just getting I just want to get into that light. You know, it's like the main important things are happening behind that light, and I can feel like I feel like your frontal things, you know, whatever things you are arranging in your paintings. It's like I feel it's like as a backyard. uh, I just have a curiosity to know what something is happening behind that, you know, inside that darkness. So that kind of light I am getting in almost all your painting. That's what I am asking.
Okay, that is actually you are telling about the foreground and background.
Yeah, I'm
No, man, like
yeah,
the
telling about particularly about that light,
The
you know.
particular lighting.
Yeah.
Sir, everything. Yeah, because of the light, because of the variations I'm showing. Because at least lighting, if you are putting only right, people can vision. This is the they can understand is the distances and that particular areas and everything. I'm putting the just mostly all areas is same only, but small differences I'm making. That lights, if you are observing the work, actually some lights, even also at least some shadows is there I put actually. That shadows making the distances accordingly. Some like what you are telling, the backyard and everything, that is the that is making some visionary look purpose, some intentionally, some I'm leaving some areas and everything. And for the visual impressions for the people easily connected to my work.
I think Sabin, it's more he's talking about, it's more about the formal side of the work, you know, like
Can I go to back once? Then
no, it's over.
suppose
No,
this
can
one.
you- I don't know. You ask Satish.
This one.
No,
Yeah,
you want to show presentation. Show it.
yeah, you do. You do.
See, Sabin, tell me what kind of
Show it. Show the work. Syed,
yeah.
take the work. Present it. Yeah.
What?
When you present the work, show the work. We all are in search of light
yeah.
in the whole life, so that let us get the light of our life.
Yeah. Say okay. Lights. Okay. This lights. Sabin. Hello.
You just use that pointer and show. Sabin.
Yeah, present the work.
Okay. See, because because small variations only I'm making, not that just everything flat works actually, flat colors only. But that 3D.
No, Syed, what I understood, your recent works, no, as a light behind the landscape, no, there is a like a sunrise or a,
yeah. I left. That's what I'm telling, right?
That's what he's asking. That in the work look
Suppose
like.
this one, right?
No, Syed, you have not shared the screen. You have to share the screen. You are seeing the work. We can't see the work. You share the screen.
Seriously, you didn't see that?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, I'm really sorry.
No problem.
Syed, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, I lost my connection. Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh God, this is the sharing. It's not coming. 1 minute.
You can show it some original, no? If you have something there.
Oh, sharing gone.
Background, there is one work I can see.
Yeah, that's what.
Yeah.
Sadiq Sadam.
Yeah. Sayed, you can show your background work, man.
Yeah. Just I'm going back again. Sorry.
Coming? Yeah.
Now you can see, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Oh.
That's okay. You can show that, no?
Yeah.
Yes, this is fine.
Okay. I'm starting actually. I think lighting this kind started like this. I changed my work to like this.
Yeah. Yes.
This kind of works, right?
Yes, Sayed.
Yeah. This is that's what I told you, Sabin. Because see, particularly suppose this lightings, right? Because this lightings only there is some form we can see, right? At least I left for these things because of the balancing because of this whites and this whites, because then only
Okay.
I feel like that is the fulfilled my that pictorial space is interested for me and another and people vision, and I'm thinking like that. So that's why I mentioned already before, because I never follow any history and never see any art history or anything, because I'm thinking always my whatever that is I will become a bigger. I'm not thinking this present. I'm doing the work or myself, my visionary work. I'm thinking that's it. Okay. So this is the completely pictorial space purpose. If you went in the Zoom, you can see each and every home. You can see the details. There is the people also there. There is the that some field. There is the one pond also. You can see that reflections also. You can see this area, right? I use, but you can see black only. But there is the some little bit variations is there with lightings. This is the multiple thunders. If it is coming, how does it feel? I feel like it. Understand? I'm thinking about the multiple thunders. This one. So and balance purpose, some balance purpose. I put the this is the walls.
194450.
Okay. This one.
Yeah. No.
Okay. I think this nocturnal these things. I think. No. I think one more. I started these things. I think this one.
Sabin, unmute.
Oh, Sabin, you are unmute actually.
Unmute. You are muted, sir. Yeah. Now talk.
Sayed, yeah, I'm not asking about particular one work. Almost all your paintings, I can see some that kind of light behind. So yeah, commonly I'm asking, is there any intention to do that kind of? That's what I'm asking.
Yeah, that's true actually. What you have mentioned, that is the so because of there is the it's very I'm very simple treatment is the very simple, but looks like little bit complicated. That kind of sense I'm using, like one kind of flavor, that one. my practicing through practicing, I got that essence, I think.
Yeah, I'm getting
But
a
actually
feeling
this
like,
kind of works is the very successful for me. I got a very good what is the good good name actually for the some of the wherever they put the shows and everything.
Yeah, I
Very
just want to
good
tell you
exposure,
the same
this
thing,
kind of
Syed. Right now, what you're presenting, this is really a very good work from your side, actually, comparing to the previous 10 years. Yeah.
Kumar.
Sorry. Can I talk now?
Yeah, Kumar. You're Kumar only, right?
Yeah, this is Kumar.
Yeah. Kumar, can you explain Sabbins? What is the?
Okay.
No, it's over.
It's over. Like he's asking about the light. What something like you did in the background. Like ఏమంటున్నాడు అంటే నువ్వు బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ లో ఒక లైట్ వస్తుంది కదా, సో సమ్ లైట్ నుంచి డార్క్ తీసుకుంటున్నావు, ఆ లైట్ ఏదైనా స్పిరిచువల్ గా చేసినావా, అన్కాన్షియస్ లా వచ్చిందా, హౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ గెటింగ్, హీ ఈస్ ఆస్కింగ్, దట్స్ ఇట్. Everywhere there is like
some because of the
there are some shadow, everything is
because of
so he's just asking whether it is came
unconsciously
wantedly
but
kept.
sometimes is the wantedly I kept that lighting side.
See everywhere, like there is an horizon line kind of thing is there, and there you are showing the light. Yes.
Yeah, because
so
of the
in that,
see, because there is the point of view. Just I'm telling the one like my theory. This is the point of view means there is the subject I feel I want. What is the elevating? That is the like that factory I feel I want elevate. So if I elevate that structure, because there is the some if you are making like darkness, if you are making there particularly, that is not much effective, I feel. So some areas, because of the back, I kept the some yellowish orange, right? Light, very light color. I kept that one. So I put the more light that area actually. Then whenever the putting this object and darks, whatever the darks I added and keep it the wall light color with light, very light blue. Then because of that form is completely elevated, right? Because of the foreground and the background, both things is I'm handling that one. That's it. Because workforce at dusk. So because of the elevating, because of the naturally, because almost 10 years too, I'm working with a lot of watercolors actually, and because of the because wherever I want to, because intentionally I will do that one, because of the elevating the subject. I'm thinking mostly elevating the subject, because of the forms is very simple, because this is the not complicated subject, right? I'm not putting the like thousands of the many very complicated things I'm not using. Very simple subject, simple forms, but I have to elevate the more intensity with whatever the thinking my presentation and kept with simple way, not too much intricated.
Yeah, it could also be that Syed. It could also be that Syed would not have known that whatever Sabin has observed. And after Sabin observing, when we see it lighting, we are also able to see whatever Sabin has observed. So probably it could be that without Syed knowing himself, some kind of things like he's leaving certain things behind, and something on the background working.
See,
and
you
all
can
those
see
things.
if you are observing my works.
That is true.
Only 3 points you can see that.
Syed, one second. Syed, 1 second. I think at one point you can tell. See, once the art leaves the artist, it is up to your imagination and stop it there. Okay. Let them give meaning to your works. Why do you want to deny it?
Yeah, that is.
Thank you, Syed. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Siji, you are asking any doubt?
No. I just enjoyed your work. Yeah, I just enjoy your work, and
actually, I have to do some of the different thinking actually, but.
And I have you're always doing some smaller work, no? So do you have any plan to do big, like some of like some details, no? Some of this works details, no? It's coming very nicely. Do you have any plan to Yeah, if it is little bigger, no, you can realize
I have
something.
Then previous one work is that is a almost not 6-7 feet work, that one.
Yeah, okay,
But I
okay.
done.
Yeah.
Actually, I done actually because I got one orders actually.
Yeah,
because I
this
didn't-
work, no, this work, some greenish, some light colors are coming. So I don't know.
Yeah.
Mm.
Something new, no?
Yeah, something new is coming. Like
Yeah,
not
actually,
like
I have plans actually.
yeah.
Actually, what happened, actually, my one is different. Actually, I'm doing accordingly with the orders also. So order works is I done in very big. Recently, I done in one of the work is the like 16 feet work. 16 feet with 6. That is the big work actually. For that is the different works. Maybe not good for the putting this one. And
What medium you're using?
I
What?
used the acrylics actually.
Okay.
And one more is the like 6 feet work I done.
Okay.
And some artworks I'm making.
Okay.
And actually, my works I have the very good subject matter actually now, and whatever the in future vision something I'm allowed to change actually. That is the bigger size I have to put because of the I'm handling many things. After previous is the different, but now because we grown and everything, and we are that things everything is changing lot of, and our visions and our circumstances and everything is making different way. So I'm handling each and everything more planned everything these days. So it is taking time for that one actually. But it's more balancing everything, and I have to keep it some, and shortly I will you can make you can see definitely very bigger size, Suzy. So, and I have to tell always, for me, very great motivating and encouraging always, I have two people in my behind actually, and Suzy and Sujit. They're always they keep contacting, and they're motivating, and they're always, because they know very well uh, my life and my where I came from, me and everything. So I have to thankful to both, and who is attending this workshop, and our other friends and everything. All are each and everyone. I'm very very thankful to each and everyone.
Okay, thank you, Rakshas.
And
Yes.
and I have to tell thanks to through New Talks with my who is my classmates who is teaching in Central University and Andhra University professors, and accordingly, actually, there many people are thinking about. Many people are asking me link actually. Almost 200 invitations I have in my phone. So through Facebook and Instagram, I'm so sorry for the not sending anything. And after please watch it, everyone. I will send that this Facebook link and everything through Satish, or if he's permitting for the link and everything, I will share. Thank you for friends.
Syed, there is no permission. This is like artwork. If the presentation is done, it is of the public.
Okay.
Syed,
okay, that's good. Okay.
Syed, I just want to tell you one thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, this I just announced previously. Your watercolor, the previous recent works are very nice actually. What CG suggested is that is 100% true. Like try to do some big size, your some detailing work and some big size work.
Okay, thank you. Really, that is the experiment actually. Because and suddenly I put because in my palette is I don't have colors in just primary colors actually. Some vibrant, some I feel unexpectedly I did with 3 colors only.
No, not this exactly. The previous some of the works also very nice. So try to do some more experiments, and somehow it is coming unconsciously. Even some of our friends also noticed that. Try to do that, and my best wishes for you. And you are the most happiest person, man. Really,
thank you so much, Kumar.
That's true. That's true.
Is that
true or not, Sujit?
Yeah, true. That's 100%. I always feel that that
no, I'm very scared actually.
No, that's confidence level, no? It's always in.
Actually, I'm so scared because I never presented anything in my work, and I never publicly, I didn't spoke anywhere. And I'm
But
very,
you need the frankly the if you
Yeah, just better,
yes, you
you know,
need a,
in spite of having many group shows and, you know, you have traveled internationally, you know,
yeah,
better just improve like little bit of your communication and all.
no, that's
Try
fine.
to,
But the,
better to
but
listen always, you know. Yeah.
the studies little more, the
Yeah,
studies,
try
no,
to
for the
read little
material,
more, you
yeah,
know. You
the
ask Sujit,
material.
he'll guide you the best.
yeah, Sujit and Kumar, you don't know actually, but actually, I done, and after MFA, I did, because I blindly I don't know what is my path and everything. But that time I, for the search reach and everything, like for the lessons only for me. So I done accordingly work, and I done accordingly with painting and everything. Almost countless paintings I had done actually. So wherever I don't know how much sold and everything, but I never counted anything. Like I'm a traditional artist like that. If I started anything like hundreds and doing works only. That is because like spiritually one kind of strength. I don't know what kind of strength that one. So that strength is giving through art and friends, maybe everyone. So your encouragement and everything, maybe because so in once upon a time previous is my thinking is different actually. So right now I'm completely so my ideas and my intensity, my intentions, my goals and everything's changed. So anyway, in works and everything, but I need always your suggestions and everything. So
Great, Sayed. Thank you very much. Unless it's 1 hour 45 minutes, you held on. Superb. Very happy to hear. And all your all your friends and everybody
I'm
came and
thankful to your
supported.
patience about my bad English and everything.
No, if we wanted to hear good English, there are much better classes to see. We came to see your artworks here.
That's true, Satish.
So thank you very much, everyone.
I'm scared about my English only. But I have the confidence. I can manage. I never prepare anything seriously because I learned PPT and I'm preparing this slides and everything almost 3 times, almost 50-60 done, then corrected again. Again I'm doing. I forgot to save it actually. That is the problem. Then I learned, oh, each and whatever the making, we have to keep it. We have to save. So that is why I never did. 2 times already corrected. 3rd time I succeeded. So finally I got it. Now,
Sayed, the only difference between you and somebody else who present could be that this would have happened to many people. You are bold enough and innocent enough to tell this in a public forum.
like
that is the only difference. Okay.
Actually, I don't like to ask to anyone, sir.
All of us have done this, so nothing to worry. This is how we all of us have picked up. Anyway, thank you very much. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Sayed.
Thank you.
All the best. So next week is 25th week of New Talks. We will have a special show. We will inform in 2 days. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sayed. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, Sayed. Thank you.
Bye bye.